Hey, this is Craig for No Rest for the Wicked. I'm going to show you how you can align, edit, and burn tracks in Audacity. Audacity is excellent recording software. It's also free and open sourced. Audacity has been around since 1999, so it's been around for quite a long time. I've imported these 3 tracks in here, and this is just random stuff that I imported into Audacity. Easiest way to import it is just to drag and drop the files. You can also go up to File and you can bring them in like that, but the easiest way is just to drag and drop. And let's say that I wanted to compile all 3 of these tracks to where it was just one track. The way that you would do that is click your left mouse button, go all the way across, drag all the way across to the end. Then I press Control X. On a Mac it would be Command X, but I'm using Windows here. I press Control X. Then I will insert the mouse button approximately where I want to insert it. And then on my mouse, I will hold down Control and I will scroll up. On the scroll wheel on the mouse, I'll hold down Control and scroll up. And then I will find the exact location where I want to insert that track. And I will press Control V. Pressing Control X saves and deletes the file, and then you press Control V to insert the file. Now I'm going to hold down Control again, and I'm going to scroll downward to bring my timeline back down. Another way you can adjust your timeline is up here. You'll see 2 magnifying glasses. One has a plus and one has a minus. You can click on that to expand your timeline. And then you got the bar down here at the bottom to adjust it. But it's for me, it's just easier to hold down Control and scroll down if I want to make the timeline shorter. Now I will click here and I will drag across this bottom one. I will press Command X. I will insert approximately where I want to insert it here. I will hold down Control and scroll up with my mouse wheel. Now I will figure out where I want to insert this. I'll insert it right here. I will press Control V to paste it. Now I will scroll back down. And now I have one. This track will play through all 3 of these. They're all lined up and it'll play through just as you see it here. Let's say that I'm going to hold down Control and scroll in. Let's say that I wanted to, this part right here, I wanted to delete this part right here. The way I would do that is a similar way. I'll hold down the left mouse button, drag across. That selects the area. This area now is selected. And then I can, if I want to get rid of that, I can just press delete on my keyboard, or I can go up to the scissors tool. This is basically a delete tool right up here. I could click on this and that will delete it. Now it's gone. I can press Control Z to bring it back. That backs it up. So now it's back again. Let's say that I wanted to start this track here off with this here. I've already got it selected here. I would press Command or Control X. I will go to where I wanted it to start. Say I want it to start right here. I'll insert my mouse right here, and I'll press Control V, and now I have moved it back to here. So it's pretty easy to arrange things on the timeline here. And now to burn this to where it would be just one track playing through, I would go up to File, down to Export Audio, and then you can name the track whatever you want to name it, and you can the destination, you can change the destination if you wanted, and then you press Save. It'll ask you some questions. Press OK, OK, and now it's saving it. But that's the way that's done. That's how you compile things into one track. And you also have to make sure, like if I do this, I press solo, so this is the only one playing. If I went to burn this, this would be the only thing that got burnt. So you want to make sure all your tracks are selected. And the way you do that, you just double click on one of them and see they're all highlighted now. Thanks for watching.